Camping tips for stupids. Tip number 15. Sometimes it's hard to find your sense of direction, and knowing which way you're facing is crucial if you want to be cool and shit. You could use a compass, but those were made by the Red Chinese, and who the fuck knows how to use those heathen contraptions? America! Now, one time-tested method to find out which way is which is to find the wind. Now, you could look stupid and wet your finger and stick it up in the air, but if the wind is hot, it'll catch on fire and hurt like a son of a bitch. No, stupid. The best way to figure shit out is to piss in it. That's right. To find the wind, you gotta piss into the wind. You'll know you found it when it starts pissing right back. And you'll know it's a good wind when you're all soaked head to toe, dripping with hot piss. Congratulations. You're a pathfinder. Now go fight giant Vikings. This has been Camping Tips for Stupids. Remember to spay and neuter your idiot population.